In this video, we'll show you how to log in and edit pages as the admin. So we'll scroll right to the bottom of the page and click the little padlock to log in. Takes us to our login page. If you enter your email and password there, it'll have us logged in. So once you've signed in, you'll see this new toolbar along the top that only you get to see as the admin. So what we can do is we can go to one of our pages. We'll start with the home page because that's the most complicated. And then we click the little edit page icon up here. So if we click on that, it's going to show us sort of the back end of how this works. So the main content area is pretty straightforward. Basically, we can just click into it and start typing away. You can highlight some text, make it bold, italic, change your colors, do all your standard sort of word processing stuff. Some of the more advanced things would be adding a link to some text. So we would highlight the text we want to put a link on, click the insert link and type in where we want it to go. So you can send it to an external website or another page on your website. Just paste the URL in there, and now that's a hyperlink all ready to go. So we can also add images to the content area by clicking the Add Media button up above it, and then we can find an image from our media gallery and put it in there. Click the image and delete it. So we can also add media and upload files to select a new one. Once you've uploaded it to the website, you'll be able to browse through the media gallery and see everything you've uploaded before. So the other thing, if we click on View Page up here, that will show us what it looks like on the front end. So the other thing we've got is this latest newsletter link. So the way that works is we just put the URL of the latest PDF and we paste that in there. So if we had a new newsletter to put up this month, we would go Media, Add New. We'll open that in a new tab just so it's easier. So in here we would add our new file, upload your PDF, and then you would click Edit button, and on the right hand side you can see the file URL. So we will select that and we will go copy. Then we'll jump back to edit the home page, and we would paste the new PDF link in there. That way if anyone clicks on this button on the home page, they will now get the new file that we've put in there. So the other thing we've got when we scroll down is we've got a couple of ads showing on the right hand side. So these ad images, they need to be 300 pixels wide by 250 high, and that's where we've got the images showing here. So we could click the little cross to delete that, and then find a new image to put in there instead, and select that. And then again we've got the URL of where you want to send it to. So you would just type in your new one. You're good to go. Then we've got the latest information, which is this other side on the left here. And again, we just fill in the boxes of add your image, add your title, add your content, and the link of where you want it to go when people click on the read more. So yeah, nice and easy. Once you're all happy with those changes, you would click the update button to save it. I'm not going to do that because I've just made a mess of the page. But yeah, that's the basics of how to edit a page. That home page is a lot more complicated. We'll show you a basic page as well. So if we go to the courses page, looks a lot more straightforward, and we'll go edit page. So this is the basic page template, which is just one big content area that you basically have free roam of, that you can do what you want. It doesn't have all the complicated fields like the home page. So you get to decide how it displays. All the same tools as we've seen before. And again, you can put your images in by Add Media, and then click the update button when you're good to go. So that's the basics of how to edit a page.